All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So the Poetic Guardian case has finally arrived. Now, this is the hard TPU bag, the clear bag. A little bit of branding down here. This is that sturdy, rugged case with the built-in screen protector. Recently, Poetic posted online whether or not they should take out this screen protector. And I think everyone said yes, but with this style of case. But with the Essential phone, it's actually pretty nice. You can see they have the exact cutout for the camera. Everything is looking really sweet with this. Nice little sloping design because this is such a thin. This phone is all bezel, or excuse me, it's bezel-less. So it just has a little bit of bezel at the bottom. And the design of the Guardian with the Essential phone looks a lot better than some other phones because it's so small and square. So you've got a microphone opening down here, and you've got the flap to cover your charge and sync cable, and then you've got your speaker open, and that's pretty much it, folks. All the back is open, even that microphone is open down here, and the connectors are covered here because obviously you can't wear your camera with this case, but they do have other cases where you can, and I've already debuted those, but the camera sensor and proximity sensors, laser autofocus, dual tone LED flash is open, and fingerprint reader is open. This is actually a really nice looking case. And obviously you can see I have it here in the blue. This comes with a gray and pink color as well, and then a black and gray color. And then they have like another silver looking color as well, looks like. But this is actually a really nice case. I really like the way this looks around the edge here. Really nice case. It's your man Jay Will. Poetic Guardian series here for the Essential phone, PH1. Take care.